how to use hashtags effectively on Twitter. So if you want to use hashtags effectively on Twitter or X application, then first you just need to simply open the application. Once you open, now you need to go with the bottom right, which has a plus option, and it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply write something. So if you want to add hashtags, you just need to simply specify your topic. You can simply type hashtag NYC. So for example, if there is an event on NYC, then you just need to simply write NYC. And if you want to be more specific about it, then you can simply enter the event name, which is, I'll just simply write world champion. Or if you want to talk about another topic, you can simply use the hashtag about coffee. If you want to talk about coffee or tweet about coffee, you can simply enter coffee. So you need to be specific with the hashtags. And you should not use punctuation marks. Like if you've used any punctuations, then it won't be specific. You won't have the hashtag. So don't use any punctuation marks. And after writing your hashtag, just go with post, which is on the top right, and it will be posted. So that's how you can use hashtags effectively on Twitter. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.